Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute by Carrington Maylin for Wednesday, July 23rd. Your 1-minute daily briefing, brought to you by Qualcomm, relentlessly innovating to deliver intelligent computing everywhere, powered by advanced AI from edge to cloud. The first made-in-Saudi sovereign AI inference platform, 𝘕𝘰𝘮, has been launched by OmniOps to meet growing demand for regulated AI infrastructure. The Riyadh-based platform offers GPU-agnostic capabilities across text, vision, and speech, while delivering faster performance and improved energy efficiency. 𝘕𝘰𝘮 enables data sovereignty by allowing secure on-premise and cloud-based deployment, supporting key sectors including government, energy, aviation, and healthcare. Meanwhile, Abu Dhabi's AI University, MBZUAI, has launched a new summer program to equip UAE high school students with practical AI skills. 38 students are participating in the Next Gen Summer Program, which includes hands-on project work across healthcare, mobility, climate, and the creative industries. Students gain experience using real datasets, industry tools, and ethical frameworks to prepare for careers in AI. And in Al Ain, UAE University researchers have secured a US patent for smart swarm robots. The robots are designed to inspect and maintain underground pipelines, marking a breakthrough in sustainable robotics innovation. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories from Carrington Maylin, brought to you by Qualcomm. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.